One interesting variety of question that can come in simple interest as well as compound interest is of money becoming n times. Just pause and go through this question and then we will proceed. So here, sum of money is becoming 3 times. You gave x to someone and in 8 years you will get 3x back. The amount that you are getting back is nothing but amount. So this x is the principal and the money that you are getting back 3x will be the amount. Can't we say in 8 years the money is becoming 3 times? In 24 years the money will become 3 upon 8 into 24, that is 9 times. Can we say this? This would be wrong. Amount and time are not directly proportional. So we cannot apply unitary method here. It is simple interest and time that are directly proportional. Okay, so unitary method could be applied on simple interest and time. Here, simple interest would be amount minus principal, that is 2x. So in 8 years, 2x interest is earned. In 24 years, interest earned would be 2x upon 8 into 24. That would be 6x. So final amount after 24 years would be principal x plus simple interest in 24 years, that is 6x. This becomes 7x. So the money becomes 7 times in 24 years. How many times will it become in 24 years? 7 times. One more quick question. Pause and give it a try. Alright, so sum of money increases by 3 times. If the initial sum is x rupees, then there is an increment of 3x. Increases by 3 times means there is an increment of 3x and the final amount becomes x plus 3x, 4x. When sum of money becomes 3 times, the amount becomes 3x. When it increases by 3 times, the amount becomes 4x. Clear? So the interest earned in 5 years would be 4x minus x, 3x is the interest earned in 5 years. In 5 years, the interest earned is 3x. In 15 years, the interest would be 3x upon 5 into 15, that is 9x. So amount after 15 years would be principal x plus the interest 9x, that is 10x. So the money becomes 10 times in 15 years. Similar question could be framed for compound interest as well. Pause and go through this question. Sum of money placed at compound interest doubles itself. Money doubles. That means if principal is x, amount that you will get back will be 2x. If principal is x, amount becomes 2x. And this is the formula for amount, right? We can put the values. 2x is equal to x into 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n is 5 here. In 5 years, the money is becoming 2 times. X and x will get cancelled. Now here it becomes 2 times. The money becomes 2 times. To make it 8 times, we will have to cube both left hand side as well as right hand side. To make this 2 8, we will have to cube it. So it will become 8 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to 5 whole cube. Property of exponents. These powers will be multiplied. 5 3s are 15. This becomes 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to 15. Now just by observation, we can say in 5 years, the money was becoming 2 times. In 15 years, it is becoming 8 times. This 15 here is the value of n. Okay. So money becomes 8 times in 15 years. Easy, right? You just have to remember that this cannot be achieved by multiplying 4 both the sides. We cannot multiply 4 to both left hand side and right hand side because this will become 8. Okay, that would be alright. But this right hand side would become absurd. So in compound interest, you need to take powers to get the final answer. Look at this question. Sum of money placed at compound interest triples itself in 2 years. I am skipping the x part. 3 would be equal to 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to 2. In 2 years, the money is becoming 3 times. Now we have to make money 27 times. That means to make this 327, we will have to cube it. We will cube both the sides. 27 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 whole square whole raised to 3. So 2 and 3, those powers will get multiplied and 3 to the 6 would be the final power. So in 6 years, the money becomes 27 times. One last question for this video. In how many years will a sum of money be doubled at the rate of 10% per annum? Let's solve it for SI first. Money is doubling. That means if principal is X, simple interest would be X and amount would be 2X. Then only money will get doubled. Put in the formula, simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. X would be equal to X into rate of interest is 10 into time that we are asked upon 100. X will get cancelled. Time will come out to be 10 years because rate of interest is yearly and we are asked how many years. Time would come out to be 10 years. It will become little complicated in case of compound interest. Principal is X, amount is 2X. The money gets doubled. Put in the formula, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 whole raised to n. That would be t, number of years. X and X will get cancelled. And now solving this will require a calculator or a log table. So we have an easy way out, an approximation just for this special case of money doubling under compound interest. Okay, this you should remember that this approximation that I am going to tell works only in case of money doubling under compound interest. And this is called as rule of 72, where T, the number of years in which money doubles under compound interest, is given by 72 upon R. This would be 72 upon rate of interest is 10. So our answer in this case would be 7.2 years. This way you can calculate an approximate answer for such cases, but this value 72 is only for money doubling under compound interest. So this was the concept of money becoming n times under simple interest or compound interest. Thank you.